Oplar pa, kapaling ang mukha sa sentreo. Pagkapaling ang mukha sa sentreo kasi may libreng laro dito sa baba. All-terrain tires, bilag. With top 1 oil. So, bababa tayo. Hey, yo! One step up. Ito ba? Dula. Dula. Dula na this. Second floor. Gar, dula tagar. Libre man to, libre. Libre tagar. We're gonna play free. Shot bay. Itong basketball sa obas dito mo. Libre naman ba? Pinapin lang. Pinapin lang, makadula lang. Yay! First floor! Uy, man nasaka pamunta naman day dire. Nike store. Ay, Jordan Ray, I think. Air Max, oh. Gago. Rustin, magdulag yan po ko. Nakapalay na mukha sa sentreo. Naro. With a 2-inch lug user. LC200. LC200. LC63. Pero so. Car enthusiast ako, ba't wala akong kotse? Four-wheel drive. What the heck, man? Hydro. Hey! First time ko makakita ng ganito yung classic cars. Like, dude! Yeah. Taas niya bro, tignan niyo yung stepboard. Hanggang tuhod ko. Yun lang, hindi na siya nabubuksan na maayos. Let's see the suspension behind this wheel. The suspension behind this wheel.
Was a founding foundations and a quarter of diesel homes. The first plans of the house was the orders of house.
4x4 maniga. Ba't ko sa high bro? And pwede maglaro dito ng libre. We have this. I don't know what is this. I think Land Cruiser din mo. Panggera na to eh. Panggera na eh. Di ako nahiya mag-vlog. Ha? Magdula na siya boys. Dula si Tumamis. Tumamis, dula na libre pag yun. Guys, we are here at the event of Peter's suspension. The new arrived suspension here at the Philippines. Especially nandito ako ngayon with Tumamis. There. Gosh, yucks.
For electric vehicles, leading to the rapid development was electric vehicle industry each time. Models are built for themselves.
Ingenious ito, Mawis, kasi maglalaro. Yeah. And this is the smallest car. I don't know what is this. Hey, look at the classic. Second Cooper. Nice. Doon lagi siya ay. Doon ligat. Galihok man eh, magtinood siya. Para siyang totoo kasi gumagalaw talaga to. Top 1 shout out. Nakasagod Dani ay. Sobra truck rider for wheel drive suspension.